Good morning everyone, it's Chris O. What I'm doing this morning, it's Monday morning. I did the floor on Friday. So now I'm going to shoot up the walls. It's all in Subway tile. This tile. So I'll be spreading my walls with, it's probably an 8-inch notchy. I don't use it much. I mostly use a 12. So I'm going to start off at my center. The niche isn't center. If I was doing it, it would be, but I've come into this job and it was already prepared, so we can't do much about it. I'm centering the whole wall there, and then I'll sort out what I'm doing once I get up this wall. I'm tiling to here, and then I'm doing a skirting tile down there. In this case, when I do a Subway tile, I spread my walls. Any other time, I spread my tile. What I've done here is with this 2x1, that's my center line. Once I put my first tile on, I'll run my laser level up there and get the other joint. With this 2x1, I've laser leveled it across there, which it shows that my floor is pretty damn good. It's probably 1.5 mil out from corner to corner, so that's not too bad. Get it on whatever way you can. To start with, and then your directional trowel. Like so. Slap it on. What's that in the glue? It's another nice day on the Gold Coast. Queensland, Australia. It's going to be about 28 degrees. Twist that ticket off. Directional trowel. Whooshka. Start off with your first one. It's a 300 long tile. I'm going to be using crosses just for my 1.5 mil spacing. $150. Now that I've got my first one like so, I'll now put my laser level up. Vertical. That's not going to work very well. I want to put that laser level on a level platform, and we're home and home, so I'll bang up a couple first. Yeah, so that's got to be like that there. And I'll get that on a level surface in a minute. All I'll be doing is putting in my crosses like so. Because these are a wiggly tile, it looks like you've got a lip there, but that's where it goes in. I reckon they're a bit of a pain, these, but they look nice. But when I grout this, it does need to be, I need to grout it with a grout stick. Right, I'll come back to you shortly. I'll get myself a little bit more set up. I'll be marking on my cutter, so I'll be cutting all those cuts the same, so I'm able to put them in as I go. Okay, I'll see you when I'm a little bit more advanced. Okay, ciao, back soon.